In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update email address and mobile number in Zoho Mail. First, open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for your profile icon, which might be your photo or your initials. Click that to open the account menu, then choose My Account. This will take you to your Zoho account settings in a new tab where all your personal details live. On the account page, find and select the profile section. This is where you can manage your contact information. In the profile view, look for the email address area. Click email address to open its details, then choose add email address. Type in the new email address you want associated with your account. Double check for typos here, since this address may be used for sign-in and recovery. When you're confident it's correct, click add. Zoho may prompt you to verify this new address. If you get a verification email, open it and complete the confirmation. Some accounts may also let you mark the new address as primary. If that option appears, set the new address as primary after verification. It's a good idea not to remove your old email until the new one is fully verified and marked primary so you don't lose access. Once the new email is verified and set the way you want, you can safely delete your old email address from the same email address section. Confirm any prompts to finalize the removal. Next, scroll down within the profile page to find the mobile number section. Click Add Mobile Number. Enter your current mobile number, including the correct country code, and then click Add. Keep your phone nearby. Zoho typically sends a one-time code for verification. Enter that code promptly to confirm the new number. Just like with your email, it's best to make sure the new number is verified and, if applicable, set as the primary number before you remove the old one. After verification, go ahead and delete your old mobile number to keep your account clean and up to date. Confirm any prompts that appear. That's it. You've updated both your email address and mobile number in Zoho Mail. These changes help keep your account secure and ensure you receive important notifications. If you don't see some of these options, your organization's admin settings might limit changes, so reach out to your admin for help. Otherwise, you're all set. Just remember to verify new details before removing old ones and never share verification codes with anyone.